Shalawam, sisters, shalawam, shalawam. So I'm gonna give y'all a tutorial on how I hand sew. So first and foremost, you want to make sure that you have the following things: 100% cotton thread. I'm so like it, 100% thread, whether it's cotton, whatever the case. I have here 100% polyester, and then you want to make sure that you have pins to pin your thread, and then you also want to make sure that you have needles. Give me 1 second, double push-on. Some needles, and today the needle I'm going to be using is this one right here with the longer opening. So first and foremost, before you start anything, you want to pin down your fringes. So as you see, I'm aligning my fringes with the border on the clothing. I will drop the link in the description box where I got these fringes from. I got them off Etsy. So as you see, I'm just going to align this. So like I'm going to line the fringes on the border of the clothing. I'm going to match it up, and then I'm going to pin it, right? So it can make it easier when I sew. I'm going to pin it. When I pin it, I'm not going to do it too high because that's where the thread is going to go when I sew. So I'm going to kind of do it like kind of in this area. So as you see, my spacing in the I'm kind of spacing it out, right? So I'm going to and that's how it's gonna look. All right, now we have it pinned down. So now we're gonna get this bad boy going. So next thing you wanna do is you wanna get your needle of your choice. And I'm going to be choosing, like I said, the one with the bigger. I got this kit off of Amazon, and I will drop the link in the box for that as well. So you're gonna take your thread. The only thing is with the Amazon kit, I don't know if the thread is 100%, so I haven't used it. I've just been using this thread that I know for sure is 100%. So I'm not gonna get a whole lot. You don't want it to get too long and too messy. You can always start over. So I'm gonna take about this much, and I'm gonna cut. Right. Take the thread, lick the end. Then we're gonna put it in, just like that. Just like that. Right. You're gonna do it just like that. Now the next step you're gonna do is you're gonna even out the ends of these threads, right? And you can't really see it like that, but basically, this thread ends right here. You're gonna end the end pieces out. So basically, what I mean by that is do this. You're gonna play with it and see, even it out, right? It's like, y'all, I don't know what happened, but it look about even to me. So you're gonna grab both of them, right? And you're gonna tie a knot at the end of it. That's knot one, and it's very, very tiny. Can't see it. So what you're gonna try to do is build on top of that knot. You see that tiny knot right there? You're gonna build off of that, meaning the next knots you do are gonna be on top of it, so it can become a bigger knot. And then I will show you at the why you need a knot. Where'd that knot go? No, I'm trying to find it. Hold on, y'all. Oh, there it is, right there. So you just go, and you see the knot gradually getting bigger. Probably gonna do more than 3 times. But you don't need a huge knot. You don't need a huge knot. See it getting bigger? Right, that's 4. Might as well do 7 for completion. Just play with it. Play with it. 5. 6. Last one, 7. Don't mind my ashy hands. Dang, wait a minute. Dang, I kinda do another one. All right, one big knot. So now, going to cut. All right, now we have our needle and thread, and we have the needle threaded. So like you got my thread and got tangled up with my tripod camera. Okay. So now this is why you need a knot, because the knot is going to stop, because the way we're going to sew, we're going to be careful with the pin. So the way this is, we're going to do this. This is how we're going to do it, right? So you're going to flip it over, right? And flip it over. And make sure the fringe is on there, right? You're gonna flip it over. And you're gonna put it in there like that. Just gonna put it in, right? Now make sure it's on there. So I'm gonna hold it down and make sure it gets on there since it's the very beginning. Just gonna pull through. You're gonna pull, 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 pull. And this is why you need the knot, because the knot stops it. And now all you're gonna do is an in and out motion, literally in and out, in and out. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna have to stand up so y'all can really see what I'm doing. So let me do a better angle. Try my best or something. Move this out the way. Lucky y'all, let me try my best. So now I'm just gonna put it in like that and literally take it back out. Pull it. I'm gonna do the same thing over and over and over. And over and over and over. And over and over and over. I'm gonna take it, you're gonna put it in. Alright, gonna bring it out. And the needle gonna poke out just like that. You're literally going to just pull it. Pull it. Be careful because the thread can get tangled up with your fringes, so you want to be careful. Take your time. Definitely take your time. All right, you're gonna keep doing the same exact thing. Same exact thing. You're gonna take it back, put it back in like that. See? Push it down, right? The needle's gonna poke out from the opposite end. You're just gonna literally pull, right? And keep doing the same exact thing. I'll show y'all one more time before I end the video and go sew. We're gonna place it in. It's gonna come out at the top, right? You're gonna pull it. See, it's getting tangled with the fringes, so you wanna be careful. Pull it. Make sure you don't pull the fringe, so you have to start all over. So yeah, pull the fringe. So it tells me that the fringe are. Okay, Shalawam sisters. So I have taken the pins out. The front of the shirt is done. It took me total 47 minutes. All praise to the Most High Yahweh Bashim Al Shai. And yeah, the front is done. You know, I'll show y'all the back. Yeah. So to end off this, to end off this part and to start on the other side, I'm just basically gonna make a knot with the needle so I can cut it off. I've never really been good at this part, I'm not even gonna lie. I'm gonna try my best. So I'm just gonna take basically just trying to tie a knot. That's the easiest way to do it. Dang, y'all saw that. So basically what you're gonna do is, I'll just put it most high. I never did that. I'm basically just gonna make a little loop, like a hole, take the needle through it, like that, hold it down, so the hole can go, so the knot can make at the end, and then boom. Do it one more time. Y'all see what I'm doing? All praises. That's crazy. I've always struggled with this. Now I'm basically making a loop, right? I'm making a loop, right? And I'm taking the needle in the loop, right? And I'm gonna hold it down, and then boom, it forms a knot. So now I'm gonna do one more time just to be safe, right? One more time. Make a loop like that. Try my best to show y'all. So I can make a loop like that. Take the needle in under the thread. Got the needle. Now, Salakia, hold down. And then boom. Right? You see that knot? Cut it. And then boom. So the front of your shirt is done. All praise to the Most High. Let me zoom it out so I can. The front of the shirt is done. And now we're gonna flip it over to the back.
All you gotta do is think and make that switch. Let me tell you how to start. Read Deuteronomy 28, the whole chapter, then meditate. And if that's the truth indeed, then why wouldn't they say it's fake? Man, pay attention. In that book lies your ascension. Jesus black, and that's not to mention. This is facts, it's in Revelation. Can't stay silent, cause the heaven's waiting. Swear this Holy Spirit penetrating. We in the land of Satan. Do you think he playing? Ask yourself. Pause for a second, ask yourself, if we the ones that help build this land, then why are we the ones that ask for wealth? I'm not asking for a friend, I ask myself. In this human race, I'm trying to pass myself.
I'm trying to pass myself, it won't pass itself. I look past myself with my passive self. I try and pass the wealth. I'm
going back to the world, no I can't go. Most of our people don't listen. You tell them repent, they say you diss. Tryna help you out cause I see you drifting. We putting them scripts and melodies we give. When you first hear that word, you should never forget it. Tryna play the middle, you look like a fool. And even when you fall, you gotta keep it cool. Never turning my back on the street. Keep my distance because I see snakes all around, they tryna bite you. You gotta stay on your toes and keep fighting. Trust that the Most High got a plan for you. Can't be afraid to let them lead you through the valley. Lead your own, right your wrongs. Songs of the lost. The lost sheep. My church is stored in heaven. I don't care about this world because it's filled with thieves. And I know they hated on Christ, so they gon' envy me. I got trust in all my ox, cause they gon' ride with me. If the eye be evil, the whole body filled with darkness. You supposed to be that light, so how great is that darkness? Start putting money before the Most High, that's when you're lost. It's time to turn back and repent, because that life don't cost you.
Yeah, my best, none less. I can't judge you, I'm still right in my room. Want salvation, tell you what it's gon' cost. Put it in price and you'll never take a loss. Taking my time with it, feeding my mind scriptures, handling my business. It's a fact, I know it's what gon' be done. And I don't worry cause I know it's gon' come.
church is stored in heaven. I don't care about this world because it's filled with thieves. And I know they hated on Christ, so they gon' envy me. I got trust in all my ox, cause they gon' ride with me. If the eye be evil, the whole body filled with darkness. You supposed to be that light, so how great is that darkness? Start putting money before the most high, that's when you lost. It's time to turn back and repent, because that life gon' cost you.
Yeah. All praises to the Abba, aka the Father. The same one I'm praying to when I'm at the bottom. But when I'm at the top, it's like I forget all about him. I've been on some trash and I gotta stop it. I'm on my A game now, breaking off these chains now.
I finished the shirt front and back. 100% shirt from Shein. It is complete. So this is the finished product. All praise to the Most High. All praise to the Most High. Show y'all again. It ain't perfect. It's only my 3rd time sewing fringes on clothes by hand. I did my best. I did my best. But yeah, finished product. It took me 1 hour and 35 minutes total. Total with pinning and everything. So kind. Here it is.